Okay, this is the lateral side of the arm of the cat. This right here in the front is the extensor carpi uranus. Blah! One right behind it is the extensor digitorum lateralis, right there, right here. And then right after that is the extensor digitorium communis. And right after that one is the extensor carpi radialis.
And it's parallel to like the thumb.
And the last one is the brachioradius radius.
Can you?
It's the last one. It's right here. There's no real good way of showing it.
Okay. So it's like that flap right there. That's like
The last one.
The last flap, then that's a brachioradius.
Don't forget the three of them.
Okay.
Alright, and then you can go all the way over here to the clavodeltoid, which is this really long extensive one that connects all the way to the almost to the radius, which we saw earlier, the other flap. Here.
So it's like the shoulder flap.
And then right behind it, right here, is the acromiodeltoid. Okay. And then after that is the spinal deltoid, right there.